everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 11, Indian Judiciary. Let's begin with section A. Answer the following questions as required, 1 mark each. Question number 1. Match the pairs correctly. Write the number of section B in answer column. Number 1. Supreme Court. Answer number 5, Delhi. Number 2. Protects the fundamental rights of citizens. Answer is number 4, Supreme Court. Number 3. High Court of the 7 northeastern states of India. Answer is number 2, Assam. Number 4. Method of removing Supreme Court judges from their position. Answer is number 1, impeachment. Next, question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. The age of the judges of the Supreme Court cannot be more than 65 years. Answer is true. Number 2. The Indian judiciary is not independent. Answer is false. Number 3. The Supreme Court does not have power to review its earlier decision. Answer is false. Number 4. There can be a common high court for 2 or more states. Answer is true. Number 5. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the Chief Justice of India. Answer is false. Number 6. The headquarters of the Free Legal Service Center of Gujarat is in Gandhinagar. Answer is false. Number 7. The Prime Minister can seek advice of the Supreme Court on the legality of a bill. Answer is false. Next, number 8. POTA courts have formed a deal with POTA cases in Gujarat. Answer is true. Next, number 3. Answer the following questions in a word or two. Number 1. What kind of judiciary has been formed in our country? Answer, uniform. Number 2. Which is the topmost court in the jurisdiction of India? Answer, Supreme Court. Number 3. In which state is the High Court of Mizoram and Tripura located? Answer, Assam. Number 4. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court? Answer, President. Number 5. The judges of High Court can resign by addressing whom? Answer, President. Number 6. Where is the headquarters of the Office of the Free Legal Services? Answer, Ahmedabad. Next, question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct option from those given below each statement. Number 1. The dash were established to provide speedy and inexpensive justice to the poor and the weaker sections. Options A. Special courts, B. Lok Adalats, C. Public courts. Answer is B. Lok Adalats. Number 2. The dash appoints the judges of the Supreme Court. Options A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Chief Justice. Answer is A. President. Number 3. The dash were established to redress the grievances of the consumers. Options A. Consumer Awareness Center, B. Consumer Complaint Forum, C. Consumer Grievances Redressal Forum. Answer is C. Consumer Grievances Redressal Forum. Number 4. The Free Legal Aid and Guidance Center of Gujarat is situated at dash. Options A. Rajkot, B. Ahmedabad, C. Vadodara. Answer is B. Ahmedabad. Next, number 5. The dash court is at the top of the Indian judiciary. Options A. High, B. Supreme, C. District. Answer is B. Supreme. Number 6. The principle of dash is observed in the appointment of the judges of the Supreme Court. Options: A. Experience, B. Seniority, C. Knowledge. Answer is B. Seniority. Number 7. Supreme Court is also called dash. Options: A. Court of Record, B. Best Court, C. Central Court. Answer is A. Court of Record. Number 8. The judges of the Supreme Court retire on completion of dash years of age. Options: A. 56, B. 62, C. 65. Answer is C. 65. Number 9. The business of the Supreme Court and the High Court is transacted in dash language. Options: A. English, B. Hindi, C. Local. Answer is A. English. Next, question number 5. Choose the correct options from those given below each question and write the answer. Number 1. What type of judiciary is established for the Indian Federation? Options: A. Special, B. Dual, C. Single, D. Multiple. Answer is C. Single. Number 2. In which city is the Supreme Court of India situated? Options: A. Ahmedabad, B. Kolkata, C. Mumbai, D. Delhi. Answer is D. Delhi. Number 3. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court? Options: A. Prime Minister, B. President of India, C. Vice President, D. Law Minister. Answer: B. President of India. Number 4. What is the retirement age for the judges of the Supreme Court and a High Court? Options: A. 65 and 58, B. 65 and 60, C. 60 and 65, D. 65 and 62. Answer is D. 65 and 62. Next, number 5. In which state is the High Court for Mizoram and Tripura situated? Options: A. Meghalaya, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Assam, D. Nagaland. Answer is C. Assam. Number 6. How many years experience of practicing law is required for the appointment as a district judge? Options: A. 3, B. 7, C. 10, D. 5. Answer is B. 7. Number 7. Where is the head office for the Free Legal Aid Authority of Gujarat situated? Options: A. Vadodara, B. Rajkot, C. Ahmedabad, D. Gandhinagar. Answer is C. Ahmedabad. Number 8. Who pretends the provision in the Constitution? Options: A. Supreme Court, B. High Court, C. President of India, D. Parliament. Answer is A. Supreme Court. Number 9. Who can seek legal advice from the Supreme Court? Options: A. Defense Minister, B. Vice President, C. Prime Minister, D. President of India. Answer is D. President of India. So here we complete the solution of section A. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.